I'm supposed to be surfing today. The house is all taken care of. I don't think the storm's coming anywhere near us. I think the surf and maybe a little bit of wind and rain is all we're going to get. So, works for me. Well, it's been pretty good today since the swell started hitting this morning. It's just building right now. There's quite a bit of wind on it, putting some chop on it, but it's pretty good. It's a little bit overhead. I'd expect it to get better tomorrow, but if the wind doesn't turn around, it's just going to chop it up more.